It's heartbreaking to see such a valuable Rolex watch in such distress. This timepiece was scraped along the ground, resulting in numerous scratches on its case and bracelet, and its internal mechanisms are now functioning erratically. The owner has entrusted me with its restoration, requiring thorough maintenance and a comprehensive overhaul. This Rolex is equipped with the renowned Calibre 3136 movement, certified to COSC standards for exceptional precision. I invite you to watch a few clips I recorded during the restoration process. Please share your thoughts and comments below.